Hi everybody, my name is Oscar Kibet. Welcome to my workshop. Now, today we have a very old antique chair that actually needs repair. As you can see, this one was imported from Zimbabwe. It's made from pure rattan cane. Now, what I wanted to explain is before any repairs are done, the first thing one needs to check is on the frame. As you can see, repairs need to be done here on the backrest, and then also down here. As you can see, this also needs some repairs to be done. What usually happens is when you see this kind of defect, it usually means that the frame is damaged. So before before someone has to start repairing, you have to check on the framework first, because this is where most of the weight is. And then also behind here, as you can see, this is part of the defect of the frame, because it looks like it's damaged. So what I was trying to explain to you is before any repairs are done for this kind of chairs, because these ones are made from wood and rattan, before these repairs are done, you need to check on the frameworks first. So I'll take you to this other side. I show you where the defects are. You can also see the armrest also needs some repairs. Even as you can see, the stud here, this one is already loose. This one also needs repairs. So now, here is where the major problem is. If you check underneath here, you'll realize the frame is really damaged. So before any repair works are done, the most important thing first is to check on this. So as you can see this one has come off. So what I'm going to do for this chair repair is, first I'm going to, what I noticed here is this framework they used nails on it, which is not a very good way of doing it. But the best way of doing this kind of joinery is by using this kind of screws. Yeah, this one will be enough for the fixtures. And then now when you come down here, completely down here, it has also detached. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have two screws here and here, and then once I have the screw here, and I try and have another one. No, I think from there I'm seeing this for this thing to go properly, yeah, is to have a screw here, and then I have to look for a way of how I can have another screw around here, so that I can compress using the clamp. That will be the first step that I'm going to do on this chair. So I'll start down here as I come upwards here. So here I'm going to cut these nails. I'm going to cut these nails, and then I'm going to use these screws for the joinery. But before I use the screws, I'll have to first attach it to the clamp with very strong wood glue. Also here I can see it needs some repairs. Now when it comes to this side also, the best way is to remove this and screw it back inside, and then from there I can cover the hole with a dowel. A dowel is something that looks, trying to see what I have. Yeah, this is what a dowel looks like. This one here. This is what we are going to use. We have our own high quality dowels. So that one is not so complicated to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'll have this stapled, as you can see. I'll have to apply some water here and staple this with the with a staple gun. All these places, because I can see here is also damaged, and then also this part also looks damaged, and then also this part down here. Down here we are going to cover with the cane itself. Down here, as you can see, it's already coming out. Yeah, so that's basically what is going to happen. So what I'll be doing, because I realized since we are still a small channel, all this works. I would like you people to check on shorts. I'll post every detail on YouTube Shorts, and YouTube Shorts it will only run for not more than 1 minute. One of the reasons why we mostly post on YouTube Shorts is that is how we manage to grow our following base. I really appreciate so much, because right now we are almost at 4,000 subscribers. So I would kindly urge you guys to please like this content and share it. Thank you so much, and God bless.